continues.
The Covenant Health Knoxville Marathon now includes a new initiative that will benefit the community throughout the year. Directors are launching a grant program aimed at promoting healthy living right here in East Tennessee. And here to tell us more about it and how to apply is race director Jason Altman. Jason, good to see you.
Yeah, great to see you.
Okay, you guys do a lot to support the community, but this is a different initiative. Tell us about it and how it's different from what you already do.
It is. You know, in years past, we've always given a little bit of money to, say, like Legacy Parks, where they've helped fund the South Knoxville Urban Wilderness Project, or the City of Knoxville improvements in the parks and greenways. But we've always kind of done it as a word-of-mouth projects that we knew that needed to be done. We wanted to open it up to the general public because there's certainly worthy projects out there that we don't know about, but we want to be able to help fund. So we've got this request for proposals that we posted to our website, and we want people to submit proposals where they can apply to get some of the funding.
Right. Well, let's talk about how much money will be up for grabs, because I know those who may be listening to this, you know, it perks up your ears. How much are we talking about here?
We've got it listed as up to $10,000. Now, certainly some will go for all $10,000, and some will need a little bit less depending on what the project is. And we've got a committee in place that's going to evaluate those. And you know, we may be able to split the money a little bit here, a little bit there. One thing that would help people, we have on there a matching program. So if they're looking for some money from them and they have money coming from something else, then that certainly will enable us to spread the money many places.
Oh yeah, it's always nice when you can match it, for sure. Let's talk about qualifications too. What should these different groups be presenting as far as making them qualified?
Certainly we want them to be a 501c3 nonprofit, and some of the rules and regulations, they'll have to submit paperwork for that. We want to keep it based in our community, so you know, we had to define. So we looked at Knox and then surrounding counties. We've got 12 counties listed on the application form, so they'd have to be in those counties. And you know, 2/3 of our participants come from those counties, so we want to be able to invest the money right back into East Tennessee there.
And when are the proposals due?
Deadline is July 31st, so just over 6 weeks. And then we will plan to have an announcement and award the money by the end of September.
The Knoxville Marathon, it's hard to believe it's 10+ years old now. You guys are already looking forward to next year.
We are. We've set the date for March 29th, and we will open registration in August. So that's going to be here before you know it, and start training this fall.
We were talking during the break. I mean, so much of this is about giving back, because obviously in 10 years' time, the marathon has become just a staple of this community.
It has. You know, the events put on by the Knoxville Track Club and Covenant Health has been a great community partner. They've been our title sponsor since the beginning. But everything seems to be rooted here in the community, between our volunteers, our sponsors, like I said, mostly our participants. It's just amazing how much people want to be involved with the event, and we want to kind of reward our community by being able to give back through this program.
Well, it's a wonderful thing to do. Jason Altman, it's a pleasure. Thanks for being with us.